Recruitment doesn't have to be a daunting task. In fact, with the right techniques, it can be both efficient and rewarding. Let me share some practical steps I've found effective. First, it's all about the job description. I always ensure it's clear and compelling, highlighting not just the requirements, but also what makes our company unique. This attracts candidates who align with our values and culture. Next, I tap into social media. Platforms like LinkedIn are goldmines for finding potential candidates. By engaging with industry-related posts and joining relevant groups, I build a network that naturally leads to referrals. Then there's the interview process. I maintain a conversational tone, which helps candidates relax and show their true selves. Instead of the usual interrogation, I focus on their experiences, asking questions like, "Can you tell me about a challenge you faced and how you overcame it?" This approach gives me genuine insights into their problem-solving skills. I also prioritize feedback. Prompt and constructive feedback not only improves the candidate experience, but also reflects our company's professionalism. Finally, I keep an open mind. Sometimes the best candidates are those who don't tick every box but bring unique perspectives and skills. By following these techniques, recruiting is not just about filling a position. It's about building a team that drives our company forward.